Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 4th, and this is my PM market recap of gold. So we're going to take a quick look at it on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely join my free 100% free Discord community to join. Link for that is at the end of the video in the corner and in the description. If you would like to check out my membership program, it is at fxpipcollector.com and you get access to all the benefits listed below and more for only $30 per month. So anyways, this morning I was talking about how gold likely will go up to about the 2850 area before we see any resistance. I was also saying that this morning it looks like it should potentially go down and make a wave C. We pretty much nailed gold today, big time. Impulsive down wave A, three waves up wave B, impulsive down wave C, end of a crescent right there, pushed almost all the way up to the 123. This is a daily time frame fib level, so it probably could be adjusted a few points one way or the other. So keep an eye on it. I still think there's a good chance this is a wave B of wave C, so keep an eye for a possible break of structure to the downside. If it doesn't break structure but continues the high low series, then that means look for longs at the end of every pullback you see. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord community, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.